So we are in a garage in Florida that has one golf cart door over there. It has one main door for the two-car garage portion. And above the main door there is a screen door which can only go down when the garage door is up. And there's the motor for that screen door right there. So Philip is going to push the button for the main door to go up. Can you push the button? Main door?
Yes. This is for the golf cart door we have on the other side of the main door. And this is for the main garage door, and that is the control for the screen door.
Okay. Main door is going up. Now Philip is going to push the button for the screen door. Screen door going down. Now it's in place. And up here there is a dual track. The bottom one's the screen, the top one's the main door. The main door opener is in the middle of the garage. And the screen door opener is down at the end of the screen door track. Okay, put the screen door back up.
You have to push kind of half and screen.
And there it is. And at the end it hits that switch, and that prevents both doors from being activated at the same time. So if you push the main door button when that switch is the other direction, it won't work. Okay, hit the main door button and put it back down. Okay, and now hit the golf cart door button.
So we push that the regular one or the same way.
Okay, now hit the down button for the same door.
So now we hit the bottom one.
Okay. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.